the another question of exercise 6.3, page number 102, question number 4. Find the square root of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. So we are having the 10 parts in the question. We are going to start with the first one. The first number we are having is the 729. Now we have to find the square root of the number. So first of all, we are going to prime factorize the number 729. This is the number we are having, 729. We are going to start with the 3. So 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Now again we are going to do with the 3. So 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Now again we are going to divide this one by the 3. So 3 2s are 6, remainder 2, 3 7s are 21. The 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. First of all, I am going to write here root 729 is equal to the factors we are having is the 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and 3. 3 we are having 1, 2 and 3 pairs. So 1, 2 and 3. So we are having 3 pairs. That means we are going to take the 3 numbers up. That is the 1, 2 and 3. Now 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So root 79 is equal to the 27. This is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. The number we are having is the 400. So first of all, we are going to find the prime factors of 400. This is start with the 2. 2 2s are 4, 0 and 0. 2 1s are 2, 0 and 0. 2 5s are 10, 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So we are going to write here root 400 is equal to the, we are going to write the factors 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 and 5. So we are having 1, 2 and 3 pairs. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. That means root 400 is equal to the 20. This is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. The number we are having is the 1764. So I want to prime factorize the number. Start with the 2. 2 8s are 16, remainder 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 1. So the number we are having 441. Now 3 1s are 3, remainder 1. Now 3 4s are 12, then 3 7s are 21. Now 3 4s are 12, remainder 2, 3 9s are 27. Now 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So I'm going to write here root 1764 is equal to the 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 1, 2 and 3. We are having 3 pairs. That is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So 3 2s are 6. 6 7s are 42. So the number we are having is the 42. So the square root of 1764 is the 42. This is the part 3. Now comes to the part 4. The number we are having is the 4096. So first of all, we are going to find the prime factors of the number. Start with the 2. 2 2s are 4, 0. 2 4s are 8, remainder 1, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 1s are 2, 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now again 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now again 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, remainder 1, that is 12, 2 6s are 12. Now again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So we are having the prime factors. Now we are going to find out how many pairs are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are having the 6 pairs here. So we're going to write here root 4096 is equal to the, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I'm going to write here 6 pairs we are having, we are going to write here 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we are going to multiply this one, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So the square root of 4096 is equal to the 64. This is the part 4. Now comes to the part 5. The number we are having is the 7744. So first of all, we are going to find the prime factors of 7744. Start with the 2. 2 3s are 6, remainder 1. 2 8s are 16, remainder 1. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Now again 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Now again 2 9s are 18, remainder 1, 2 6s are 12, remainder 1, 2 8s are 16. Now again 2. Now we are going to write 2 4s are 8, remainder 1, 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now 11s are 121 and 11 1s are 11. So this is the number we are having. Now we are going to write here root 7744 is equal to the, we are having the 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 and 2. We are having 1, 2, 3 pairs. 1, 2 and 3, then 11 multiplied by 11. So we are going to write here 1, 2 and 3 and 1 time 11. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 multiplied by 11 is equal to the 88. So square root of 7744 is equal to the 88. This is the part 5. Now comes to the part 6. The number we are having is the 9604. So we are going to find the factors first. 9604. So start with the 2. 2 4s are 8, remainder 1, 2 8s are 16, 0, 2 2s are 4. Now again 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 1s are 2. Now we are having 2401. Now we are going to divide this one by the 7. So 7 3s are 21. We'll have the remainder as 3. Now 7 4s are 28. Then we have the remainder and then 7 3s are 21. Now again 7 4s are 28. We'll have the remainder as 6 and 7 9s are 63. Now 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So we are going to write here root 9604 is equal to the 2 multiplied by 2, 7 multiplied by 7 and again 7 multiplied by 7. So we are having this, this and this. We are having 3 pairs. Then 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 7 7s are 49. 49 2s are is equal to the 98. So the square root of 9604 is equal to the 98. This is the part 6. Now comes to the part 7. The number we are having is the 5929. First of all, we are going to find the factors of 5929. So we are going to start this one with the 7. So we are going to write here. First of all, we are going to divide this one. 7 8s are 56, remainder 3. Now 7 4s are 28. Then we have the remainder and 7 7s are 49. So the number we are having 847. Now again we are going to divide this one by the 7. 7 1s are 7. Remainder we are having as 1. 7 2s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. Now 11. 11s are 121 and 11 1s are 11. So the number we are having root 5929 is equal to the root 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11. We are having 2 pairs. So 7 multiplied by 11 is equal to the 77. This is the part 7. Now comes to the part 8. Number we are having 9216. So first of all we are going to factorize this one. I'm going to write here 9216. Start with the 2. 2 4s are 8, remainder 1, 2 6 are 12, 0. and 2 8s are 16. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 0 and 2 4s are 8. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 5s are 10, we will have remainder as 1, 2 7s are 14, remainder 1, 2 6s are 12. Then again 2 2s are 4, we will have remainder as 1, 2 8s are 16, remainder 1, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Then again we are going to divide this one by the 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 2. Now 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So I'm going to write here root 9216 is equal to, I'm going to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are having 5 pairs of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll have one pair of 3. This one. So we will write here 5 pairs of 2. So that means 5 times 2 will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 is the 3. So 5 times multiply by 2 and then 1 time we have as the 3. So this one is equal to the 96. So this is the part 8. We are having the square root of 9216 is equal to the 96. Now comes to the next one. So comes to the part 9. Number we are having is the 529. So this one we are going to divide this one by the 23. 23. If I am going to divide this one, then I am going to get 23. Then again 23 ones are 23. So the root 529 is equal to the 23 multiplied by 23. So 1 will come out. That means the root 529, the square root of 529 is equal to the 23. Now comes to the last part, the part 10. The number we are having is the 8100. So, or I can say it 8100. First of all, we are going to find the factors of this one. Start with the 2. 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 5s are 10 and 0. Now again 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now we are going to divide this one by the 5, or I can do this one with the 3 also. So first of all I am going to do this one with the 3. So 3 6 are 18, remainder 2, 3 7s are 21, remainder 1, 3 5s are 50. Now we will divide this one by the 5. Again by the 3. Now again we are going to divide this one by the 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, 3 5s are 10. Now I am going to divide them by, now I am going to divide this one by again the 3. So 3 7s are 21, remainder 1, 3 5s are 50. Now 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, 3 5s are 50. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So I am going to write here root 8100 is equal to the, so I am going to write here 1 2 3 4 1 2 and 2 pairs of 3 and 1 pair of 2 and then again 5, 1 pair of 5. So I am going to write here 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So we are having the 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18 and 18 5s are 19. So the number we are having, the square root of 8100 is equal to the 19. This is the part 10. With this one we have completed the question number 4. In the next video we are going to start with the question number